Why don't seniors need printable trivia? Because they are already filled with historical facts. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on printable trivia for seniors. Tip 1. Choosing clear font types and sizes. It is important to consider that some seniors may have difficulty reading smaller fonts or complex script-style fonts. Therefore, choose a clear, easy-to-read font, possibly serif font types like Times New Roman, and consider increasing the font size to make it easier for them to read. Tip 2. Organizing information logically. The trivia should be easy to follow. Arrange your categories and questions in a way that is logical and easy to understand. This could mean grouping similar topics together or arranging questions in the order from easiest to hardest. Tip 3. Providing easy-to-understand instructions. The trivia game instructions should be concise and clear. Make sure to fully explain how to participate in the trivia game. Remember, complicated rules may confuse seniors, making the game less enjoyable for them. Tip 4. Using age-appropriate topics. Remember to use trivia topics from their era. This may increase the interest and participation level of your audience. Topics could include popular music, movies, TV shows, or world events from when the seniors were younger. Tip 5. Including a variety of themes. To make the trivia game more enjoyable, try to cover a variety of topics. This could include sports, geography, music, classic TV shows, or food. A variety of themes helps to cater to the diverse interests of seniors. Tip 6. Using large spaces for answers. When creating your printable trivia, be sure to leave plenty of room for answers. As some seniors might have difficulty writing in smaller spaces, it is considerate to provide larger sections for responses. Tip 7. Checking readability. Before printing, check your trivia for readability. You may want to have someone else proofread it, as a fresh set of eyes can often spot issues you may have overlooked. You want to ensure there are no typos, the sentence structures are correct, and there are no confusing phrases. Tip 8. Printing on high contrast paper. Consider printing the trivia sheets on high contrast paper, such as white print on black paper. This can help seniors with vision problems to more easily read the questions and their corresponding answer blanks. Tip 9. Keeping the trivia game length reasonable. The length of the trivia should not be too long, which could lead to fatigue or loss of interest. Consider printable trivia sets of 10, 20 questions which can typically be completed in a short period of time. Tip 10. Incorporating images where possible. Some seniors may appreciate visual cues or hints, so consider incorporating relevant images in your trivia. This could be photos related to the questions, or you could use pictures as part of the questions themselves. Tip 11. Offering answer keys. Always provide answer keys for the trivia. This allows the seniors to check their answers once they're finished. Moreover, it can initiate further discussion and engagement if they get the chance to correct their answers.